Updating your credit card information on the Auth0 dashboard is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Log into your Auth0 account. Visit the Auth0 website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to access billing information. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Once logged in, locate the dashboard. This is typically found in the main menu after logging in. Click on the dashboard link to access your account settings. Step 3. Access billing settings. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the *com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Update credit card information. Find the option to update your credit card details. Enter your new credit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Ensure all information is accurate before proceeding. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new credit card information, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to save your changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your payment information has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily update your credit card information on the Auth0 dashboard. Keeping your payment details current helps ensure uninterrupted service.